Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Vivo V30 Pro, the latest flagship offering from Vivo that's packed with some impressive features. Let's jump right in and see what this device has to offer. Starting with the display, the Vivo V30 Pro boasts a massive 6.78-inch screen with a resolution of 2800 by 1260. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or playing graphics-intensive games, this display delivers stunning clarity and vibrant colors. Now let's talk about the cameras. The front camera is a whopping 50 megapixels, perfect for capturing detailed selfies with exceptional clarity. On the rear, we have a triple camera setup featuring three 50-megapixel lenses. From wide-angle shots to close-up macros, the Vivo V30 Pro ensures you capture every moment in stunning detail. Under the hood, this device is a powerhouse. It comes with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM, paired with either 256GB or 512GB of internal storage. Whether you're a multitasker or a media hoarder, the Vivo V30 Pro has you covered. One of the standout features of the Vivo V30 Pro is its massive 5,000 mAh battery capacity. Say goodbye to frequent charging and enjoy uninterrupted usage throughout the day. And running the show is Android 14, offering a smooth and intuitive user experience with the latest features and security updates. Using the Vivo V30 Pro has been an absolute delight. The interface is snappy, apps load quickly, and multitasking is a breeze thanks to the powerful hardware under the hood. Whether you're a productivity enthusiast or a gaming aficionado, this device ticks all the boxes. In conclusion, the Vivo V30 Pro is a flagship smartphone that impresses on all fronts. From its stunning display and powerful cameras to its long-lasting battery and smooth performance, it's a device that's sure to elevate your smartphone experience. And that wraps up our review of the Vivo V30 Pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech-savvy.